Okay, now I'm going to show you how to adjust the chain on a Vermeer TRX 250. Same principle as the Toro. If the chain is more than 3 or 4 fingers deep, it needs adjusting. So what we do, we get a 24mm socket, we unlock the locking nuts, they only have to be cracked. We then slacken the locking nut on the adjuster bar on both sides. We then get a 21mm socket on the adjuster bar and we start winding it in, and we're watching the chain. Each time we adjust it, you can see that it's moving up. What we don't want to do is over tighten it, so we come up to 2 fingers and that's plenty. So as soon as we've got up to 2 fingers deep, we wind up the locking nuts. We lock that into place. We do the same the other side. Lock the locking nut up again. And we then it's all locked in place. Double check that it's still only 2 fingers deep. Again, that should be good for at least 2 or 3 days, again depending on ground conditions.